Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to do a little evening in my life. So I just got out of the shower and we are about to take our dogs for a walk. It's around like 3 o'clock-ish. So I'm going to quickly just do like a little bit of skincare and a little bit of makeup. I'm just going to curl my lashes. I'm not going to do them because I kind of want to like let them just be natural for a day. Thank you, Bear. Guys, we got home from our walk. It's 4 o'clock, so I'm gonna eat like some food because I've not eaten yet today, and then we're gonna head out to the barn. So I have a strawberry sunrise Alani, chips, and a chicken Caesar wrap. Alright, so we left and we got some Starbucks, and then we made a quick pit stop to Ross to look at shirts and stuff. Alright, we got a little Ross haul. So I got True Fruit raspberries, and these are freeze-dried, and True Fruit freeze-dried strawberries. For shirts, I got this Dr. Pepper shirt because it looks cute. This like, I don't even know, this Western shirt. Yeah. You're a little dirty today. Yeah, you're a little dirty. Both sides. Not bad though. Your braids are still in. Hi.
Whoa.
German horse muffin.
There's some muffins. Here.
Chit chat. Up. Come on. Chit chat. And chat. Up, up. Oh my goodness, so sassy. Just called your grandson a Sasquatch.
I'm a good boy.
He feels very chunky today. In a good way, Beep, don't worry. He's very locative this fine evening. Well, the sun's reflecting off the thing and it's very bright. Good boy. It's actually not too bad out here considering it rained. You're okay. What's wrong, Beep? Look at those ears. Pricked forward, man. Is it the bird? Oh, it's the bird. Oh, that's a little scary. It's so strange that like they're these huge animals, but they're absolutely terrified of a tiny little bird. I'm kind of cold. You're okay, Beep. Oh my goodness! It's just a bird. Did you see his head?
Holy crap, what was that? I love you.
But he's very careful with it.
He is.
Oh, hello, babe. Let's go up this little hilly over here. Oh my, he's gonna the prance on. The Bieber prance.
Yeah. Park yourself.
Oh my goodness, Steve. Turning right on himself.
Hi. Hi.
After our ride, I took Leroy's tack off and I was letting him cool while I was getting hay. Alright, I don't want to wait too long, but I'm helping my friend out. I gave the upper barn, like Leroy and a couple other horses, like the hay, because it comes from like the barn. It's not provided by the border, and their grain and stuff. And so now I'm helping give out grain to the other ponies. Throw that. There we go, Hank. I'm coming back for you, girl. Just a little numb. Most of the horses are taken care of now. Now it's just the borders. So their hay is already up here and we just have to distribute it. But yeah, we're doing pretty good. Leroy's enjoying his nummies. He's got some hay left. He finished his grain definitely a while ago. It's been 30 minutes. I got this. For the steed. Alright guys, it is currently, that's the only light we got. It is currently about 9 o'clock at night, and we got done. My mom helped feed the ponies. It's cold, so I have a sweatshirt on now, but yeah, we're actually doing pretty good on time. We got to the barn at around 6, so like 3 hours, which is pushing it, but not awful.
Sorry, and extra pickles.
Okay. Chick-fil-A. Alright, so we got Chick-fil-A. So I have a Dr. Pepper. I have, instead of fries, mac and cheese. And then I got the chicken sandwich with bacon, cheese, and pickles. We're literally at the barn for like 4 hours today. Definitely a lot, but I'm really glad I helped my friend out. And honestly, doing little things like that does like get paid back. Like in a community of people like that, like it gets paid back in one way or another. I'm gonna eat this and just chill for a little bit and then like get ready for bed and everything. Alright guys, it is currently like 11:30 at night and I've just been chilling and I'm gonna take my makeup off now. Honestly, today was a really good day. I actually felt very productive, and especially helping my friend feed the horses. It was just like, I felt very productive because there's a lot you have to do and you're moving a lot. Today was really good, and I just chilled. I really wish I went to prom yesterday because yesterday was prom for school, and I could have, and that's like the most annoying part because I'm seeing all the pictures and stuff. All these people I know that went, even though I'm a sophomore, like I know juniors that could have taken me, but oh well, there's next year. And so I'm gonna try the True Fruits I got and just kind of like chill and continue watching the series that I'm watching. But yeah.